We are discussing training need assessment, and training need assessment is the first step in training design process. Training need assessment can be defined as that it is the process through which we determine training needs and organization. It is the process through which we determine training needs and organization. That is, it is the process through which we determine that number one, who need training, and what they need training. Number one, who need training and what they need training, and third is willingness and ability of trainees. Through training need assessment, we determine the willingness and the ability of the trainees. So we can say that before conducting a training program, we conduct the training need assessment, through which we determine whether training is actually needed or training is a solution to a problem or not. So this is the process through which we determine training needs and organization. Okay, so we can say that there are three things we determine through training need assessment: who need training and what they need training, and whether the trainees are willing and able to learn. Then there are three components in training need assessment. How to conduct training need assessment? Then there are three components. Number one is organization analysis. Number two is person analysis. Third one is task analysis. There are three components, or there are three steps, or there are three elements of training need assessment. Or suppose we can say how to conduct training need assessment or how to determine training needs and organization. Then we have to conduct these three types of analysis or three types of assessment and organization. Number one, organization analysis, then person analysis, and third one is the task analysis. So number one, the organization analysis, it consists of certain activities, like we conduct the analysis or an assessment of organizational goals, or we can say organization strategy. Second, we conduct an assessment of organizational resources. Third, we conduct an assessment of manager and peer support. And fourth one is organization environment. So there are four activities: an in organization analysis: organizational goals or strategy, organization resources, manager and peer support, and organization environment. We will discuss them. So, number one is organization analysis. In organization analysis, we conduct four activities, or there are four activities in organization analysis: organization goals or strategy, organization resources, then manager and peer support, and then organization environment. Then the second component is person analysis. In person analysis, we evaluate or we conduct analysis of persons, person characteristic. We evaluate person characteristic. Then second thing to evaluate is input, then output, then consequences, and last one, and this is feedback. In organization analysis, we conducted four activities. In person analysis, we conduct activities regarding the individual, and we evaluate or we assess an individual or an employee or a person characteristic, input, output, consequences, and feedback. Next is the task analysis. So task analysis, basically there are certain steps in, we can say, the process of task analysis. We will discuss the different steps in task analysis, and on the basis of the task analysis process, we will determine the task in which an individual need to be trained. What are the tasks or what are the skills in which an individual need to be trained? But along the task, we have to determine the frequency, difficulty, and importance of different tasks. On the basis of importance, frequency, and difficulty, we will determine whether an individual needs to be trained in these tasks or not.